Hi guys, welcome to today's session. So today we will be talking about the latest salary slip for a particular person who is working as a RRB assistant examination, right? So whoever is working as a RRB assistant, we will be discussing about that, right? So in the regional rural banks, if you are working as an assistant, what is the latest salary slip, or let's say what is the salary in hand that you will be getting here? We will be discussing that completely today. Okay, so I have got hold of a particular salary slip which was from January 2024, right? So we will be discussing about this one. So you can see that I have taken this particular salary slip for January 2024, right? We will be talking about the other salary slips also once there is a change in the salary. Right now this is the one that people are getting currently. Okay, so Bangir Gramin Vikas Bank, you can see it's for West Bengal. So West Bengal's RRB, that's the Bungio Gramin Vikas Bank. Okay, and this is for January 2000 work for a 2024 for a person who is working as a category of clerk. Designation is office assistant in the regional rural bank here. Okay, so you can see what are the earnings here. So there are two columns. You can see one is of earnings, another is of deductions. So the basic salary that a particular office assistant gets here is 19,900 rupees. Okay. Now the dearness allowance that the person gets is 10,594.58. The house rent allowance that is 2238.60 as per Nadia, right? So it may vary also as per the location. So as per this particular district, it is 2238.60. Special allowance is 1940. Special allowance N is 3263.60. Then DA special allowance is 1583. T allowance is 500. So you can see the gross pay in hand is 40,019 rupees and 95 paise. But there is a deduction also. You can see the total deductions. The professional tax is 200, that is deducted every year, or every month, sorry. Similarly, this deduction 80 rupees is also there, and the NPS, that is National Pension Scheme, for that there is a deduction of 3243 rupees. So final deduction is 3523, and the net pay that you get in hand is the gross pay minus the total deductions, that is 40,019 rupees minus 3,523, which gives rise to a net pay of 36,496 rupees 95 paise. So this is the one that you will get in hand if you join as a clerk currently. Okay, but there is supposed to be some increase also in the coming days. So once we get hold of that particular pay slip, we will be discussing about that as well, right? So currently this is the one that people are getting right now. Okay, so I hope this is interesting here and will lead to more work here. So guys, do let me know in case you have any doubts regarding anything at all. So we are coming with a lot of new courses also, so do check it out. We will be having a very good course for your IBPS foundation batch. Okay, so if you are preparing for this particular exam, let's say if you are preparing, you are targeting for the RRB exam, we have the IBPS foundation batch for you guys, which is starting 29th of April onwards. So do check it out. It's available on the website. You can check out the course details and purchase it if you wish to, right? Also we will be having a lot of courses on the YouTube as well. So do check out the schedule for the daily classes, and also do not forget to subscribe to this particular channel for daily updates and these kind of special videos in here. I'll be discussing about the latest pay slip once we have other pay slips when there is an increase in the salary as soon as possible. Okay, so thank you so much guys. I hope you find this interesting here, and we will be starting off with a particular class for reasoning as well, that will be done by me, right? So in the coming week we will be having daily sessions at 6 p.m. For your upcoming examinations. So do not forget to tune in at 6 p.m. next week onwards, that is Monday onwards. We will be having special sessions for you guys for your upcoming RRB examination. So do not miss it out. Okay, so thank you so much guys. I'll see you again with another session. So please take care, stay safe, have a great day. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much.